We recently acquired a Dressel railroad switch lamp, so we decided to build a railroad themed lamp stand for it. Everything we used on this lamp was something from railroad with the exception of the pipe, and we painted everything black when we restored the Dressel lamp. We used an old Fairmont maintenance away speeder car wheel as the base of it. We used some railroad spikes as gussets on it. Just used a regular piece of pipe to attach everything, and we have on top a railroad tie plate that the lamp is resting on.